Sagaram Shantam Arunachala Vasinam Sri Seshadri Gurum Vande Brahme Buddham Taponidham. My Ananta Koti Namaskarangal to Sadguru Sri Seshadri Swamigal and our beloved Guruji Sri KVLN Sharmaji. Now today I have come in front of you to share about the miracles which Mahan has done in our own lives. Now to be very precise, in the month of March in the year 2001, I got a call from Sri Dandapani Mama, who is the senior most patron of our Bombay Trust. He told me that one divine astrologer will be visiting Bombay, and if you want to show your horoscopes, you can take an appointment at that time. So I took an appointment with Dandapani Mama for showing our horoscopes. Then on the designated day, we went at the designated time to show our horoscopes. So that was the first meeting of our Guruji. And this itself was the first miracle, what I feel, because I never knew who Dandapani Mama was till that point of time. And I even asked him from where he got my number and my name that he has called me that day. So for that he said he already has my number in the ledger. So when we went to meet our Guruji, he looked at all the horoscopes, and at that point of time he asked whether my husband has got any problem in his hip area. That time he was perfectly all right. So we told him there are no such issues as such, and he read all our horoscopes. We were very happy and we came back home. And as usual, our life was going on from there on. Then suddenly in the month of September, during the Navratri time, we generally celebrate Navratri in a very good manner. We have pujas at home. So to be very precise, on the third day of the Navratri, on that night, in the middle of the sleep, my husband got up and he said he has got very bad acute pain in his back, and that is not allowing him to lie down, either lie down or to sit. And he started walking inside the house. I was very scared. I got very confused. Next day morning, after completing the puja very quickly, we went to our family doctor. So when we said the doctor that this is the problem he is facing, he immediately advised us to take an MRI scan. So that scan was taken, and he said there is some major problem in his spine between the L4 and L5. So you have to go and meet a neurosurgeon. So into one of the renowned hospitals in Mumbai, we went immediately. We showed the results, we showed the scan report. So the doctor said that it is not a life and death situation, but in case your pain is very acute, then it cannot be treated just by giving painkillers or any other medicine. The best way would be to undergo an operation. And he said this operation will be very major one, which would take around 8 to 10 hours. And he also told me, as his immediate relative, he told me what are the pros and cons of this operation. So he said he may have to cut open near the spinal cord, and in the procedure maybe some of the nerves may get affected. So immediately I asked him, to get rid of one problem, should we on our own get into another problem or what? So he said medically everything can be treated. That is the general reply we get from the doctors. But I was not convinced. I was getting too scared because my daughter was in the 10th standard at that point of time. So I told my husband, it is, as the doctor said, it is not a life and death situation. So why can't we wait for some time? But his pain was so acute that he was not willing to listen to any one of us. So I didn't know what to do, So I immediately went into my puja room. I stood in front of my Kuldevi, who is Siruvachiyamman, Madurakaliamman, Siruvachur Madurakaliamman. So I always feel whenever I am in some trouble, rather than going and discussing it with human beings, it would be better to go and directly speak with the goddess herself. So I stood in front of her photograph and I said, Amma, you do something that this operation doesn't take place. and my husband is not listening to my words. So you should only get into his thought and you should stop this operation anyhow. I lighted the lamp in the evening and I was praying very intensely to Madura Kaliamman, who is my Kul Devi. Suddenly, it struck me that in the month of March, when I went to show my horoscope to Guruji, he precisely asked me this particular question. But at that time, he was perfectly all right. Now, why can't I call Guruji and find out what I should be doing now? Because during these kind of confused state, you really need some spiritual guidance, without which I feel it would be very difficult to proceed. So that was around 6 o'clock in the evening. So I called up Guruji. It was a Saturday. I called up Guruji and I asked him. He may not remember me also, because he sees so many people every day. So I introduced myself. I said, in Bombay, when you had come, I had come to show my horoscope. At that time, these things you said, and now he is suffering from this problem. So what should I do? So immediately he told me it is not a life and death situation. According to the planetary positions, I don't think he will be under the knife right now. So if you can postpone it, you postpone and try through the other ways of medication. If not allopathy, try some other alternative methods. So immediately I said, okay, I will try doing that. And I asked him to bless us. He said always his blessings are there with us. And he said in some time there will be somebody who will be visiting Bombay. So he would send the Indrakshi Japa Vibhuti to us, so which we can use and it will give us some relief. So I said, okay, I was feeling little hope with what Guruji said to me that time. Then in half an hour's time after this, I got a call from my brother-in-law who stays at Singapore. So when I told him all these things, he told, you don't worry, you don't go for any operations or anything. I know a doctor who is in Pondicherry. He is a allopathy doctor and he is a cancer specialist by profession. He stays in UK. But 3 months in a year, he comes and stays in Pondicherry, which is his hometown. So let me try and find out his number and give it to you. But you should be really lucky enough that he should be staying right now in Pondicherry. So within half an hour's time, he gave me the number. Immediately I called the doctor. I read all the report to him on the phone and he immediately told me nothing to worry. These kind of things I have cured about 9 patients till now. And your husband would be the 10th patient for me. And you need not worry. I will immediately send the medicines to you through parcel. But I told him, no doctor, I want to come and meet you personally along with my husband. Because I always believe that if you look at the doctor, only half of your problems will get resolved. Then he said, I have no problem. If you can take a journey all the way from Bombay to Pondicherry, you're welcome. So on Monday morning at 5:45, we took a flight to Chennai. From Chennai, immediately I went to Pondicherry. Immediately we met the doctor. The doctor immediately started his medication. He started giving some homeopathic combination medicines and he told me, don't worry, I will prescribe the names of these medicines, which you will also get it in Mumbai. So after speaking to him, and the first dose was administered by him to my husband. And I asked him, what is the fees I should pay you? He told me, you're like my daughter. So no father takes money from the doctor. That was so kind of him. I never paid a single pi to him for the treatment. Immediately in the evening, I took the evening flight and I was back home at 7 o'clock in the evening. This was possible only because of the divine intervention. And this all started because my Guruji told me that this is not the time for his operation. You try an alternative method of treatment. So I just cannot forget my Guruji and Mahan Sri Seshadri Swamigal throughout my life, for whatever he has done to me. Then we came back home. Then to my utter surprise and the second miracle is that within 4 or 5 days, Guruji himself visited Mumbai. And he was so kind enough. He came to my place. He did some pariharam to my husband. He tied a holy thread in his hand. And he said he will become all right. And he gave some vibhuti with mantra chanted on that vibhuti, and he told me every day in the morning, as soon as he gets up, you have to mix some little amount of this vibhuti and give it to him before he takes any coffee or tea. So I religiously followed this, and within 8 months he became completely all right. He got rid of that pain. Now he just has forgotten how that pain would be. And in the month of December, the first Jayanti of Mahan Sri Seshadri Swamigal, we had an opportunity to attend. And I will tell you, we all went with an empty hand. But when I came back after attending the function, my hands were full of blessings of Mahan Sri Seshadri Swamigal and my Guruji, which I can just never forget. And as a result, I have also become a member of the Sadguru Sri Seshadri Swamigal Trust Mumbai Wing. And in Mumbai Wing, every year we keep performing some havans under the guidance of our Guruji. Our Guruji has taught us so many things, how meticulously to plan a big event like big havans. We have really learnt all that from him, and it is also very useful for us in our day-to-day life. And at the end, I would also like to pray to Mahan and Guruji that at present, whatever pandemic we are going through, Mahan should be kind enough in blessing all the people throughout the world and all the Jivarashis to come out of this pandemic unscathed. Thank you. Sadguru Sharanam.